Good morning, my dear students. Today we're gonna start our lesson with the area of rhombus. As we know, rhombus is like what? Like the square. All sides are equal. So it maybe have the same rule of the square, but in different way. Okay, remember that the rhombus is a parallelogram whose four sides are equal in length. Okay, so AB equals BC equals CD equals AD. Okay, here the two diagonals of the rhombus, here the two diagonals are what? Are perpendicular and bisect each other. So AC is perpendicular on BD and AM here equals Cm and Bm equals Dm. Okay, so from here we can say that the area of the rhombus equals what? Half by D1 by D2. The area of the rhombus knowing the length of each side and its height. If I have side and height, so I'm gonna use what? Length by height, okay? The area of rhombus is side of the length side by height, okay? And of course, all sides are equal, so the length side here CB equals AB equals AD equals DC. Okay, and I'm gonna use my magic triangle. Area equals length by height. If I want height and I have area and length, so area over length. And if I want length and I have height and area over height. Okay, so height, area over length, and length, area over height. Like, what about if I have diagonals? Okay, let's see here some examples. A rhombus whose perimeter is 20. So this is what rhombus it has. How many sides? Four sides. So its perimeter equals what? The sum of those four sides. So this one is what the perimeter is 20. So I gonna what divide the 20 by 4, and then I will use the rule. Okay, the perimeter of the rhombus equals what? Side by 4. So I'm gonna divide it side perimeter over 4. 20 divided 4, the answer will be 5 centimeters. So I have the length 5 centimeters and the height 4 centimeters. So side by length or by side by height equals what? 20 centimeters square, of course. A rhombus of side length 5, its area is 45, so I have the area and I have the side length. So I'm gonna divide the area by side length. The answer will be 45 divided to the 5, and the answer will be 9 centimeter. Okay, what about if I have the length of the diagonal? I'm gonna use what? Half by D1 by D2. As we know that the rhombus, its diagonal are not equal, so I must have what? Two different diagonals. Okay, so the area half by product of the length of the two diagonals. Okay, using the opposite diagram. Okay, if I have here area half by D1 by D2. So if I want D1 area over half multiply D2. If I need D2, it will be the same. Find the area of each of the following. This is what rhombus. I have two diagonal here, one 18 centimeter and the other 12 centimeters. So the rule half by D1 by D2. Okay, here and here this one. What about this one? I have what 6 centimeter as side length and 3 centimeter as height. So area equal length by height 6 by 3, 18 centimeter. Okay, and this one I have also side length and height. So length by height 10 by 7. The answer will be 70 centimeter square. And here I have the two diagonals, half by D1 by D2, so half by 18 by 12, 108. Okay, there's a difference between the diagonals of the square and the diagonal of rhombus. Diagonal of a square are equals in length, so the rule it's a half by D by D, and the diagonals of rhombus are different in length, so its rule is half by d1 by d2. Okay, let's complete this. I have here rhombus and I have two diagonals, different 3 and 4 centimeter, half by d1 by d2, half by 8 by 6, 24 centimeter square. And here 16 by 12, half by d1 by d2. The answer will be half by 12 by 16. The answer will be 96 centimeter square. And here half by d1 by d2, 9.2 multiplied 14.4. The answer will be 66.24 centimeter square. Okay, when I have to compare between two areas here, which is greater? Area of triangle, which has a side length 25 centimeter and corresponding height 6 centimeter, and rhombus which length diagonal 8 and 15. Okay, so first I have to get the area of triangle. Area of triangle equals what? Half by base by height. Okay, half by base by height. It's a half by 25 by 6. The answer will be 75 centimeter square. And then the area of the rhombus, half by d1 by d2. So this is what half. D1, the first diagonal 8, and the second diagonal is 15. So the answer will be 60 centimeter square. So which areas is bigger? The area of triangle is bigger than the area of rhombus. Okay. Okay, which is greater in area? Rhombus whose diagonal is say are 16 and 18 and here. Okay, we're gonna solve this, which is greater in area. Rhombus is diagonal here. It's what, look here, area, rhombus, which diagonal length 16 and here D1 and here D2. Okay, and square diagonal 17D. Okay. Here I'm gonna do like this, area of a rhombus. Okay, here half by d1 by d2. Okay, it will be half multiply by 16 multiply by 18, and here area of a square. Okay, half by d because the diagonal of a square they have the same length, so half by 17 by 17. You're gonna use your calculator and solve this. Okay, and here, and the answer of course will be centimeter square, and here centimeter square. Okay, let's see. If the height of the rhombus is 10 centimeter, I have here the height, and its area is 54 centimeter square. Find the side length. Okay, this is a rhombus. If I want one diagonal, d1 equals what? 54 over half over, sorry, this is what, yes, this is the height. So there I gonna use what? I gonna use this rule, length by equals area over height. 54 divided 10, it's 5.4 centimeter. Okay, and here area of rhombus 20. Okay, and the length of one of its diagonal, they told me here there is a diagonal 5 centimeter, and the other diagonal, I need the other diagonal, so d1 equals, or D2, 20 over half multiplied by D1. So 20 over half multiplied by 5. So the answer will be 8 centimeter. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.